Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about life cycle of a hen as well as about birds. All birds lay eggs. Yes, birds build a nest. Why they will build a nest? To protect their babies, as the baby birds cannot fly, right? So they build a nest and to protect their baby birds, to keep their baby birds in a safe place. That's why they will build a nest, as well as baby birds cannot fly, right? That's the main thing. Birds build a nest to keep their eggs in that nest. After so many days, the babies will come out, baby birds, and whenever baby birds will come out, baby birds cannot fly. So that's why they build the nest to keep their eggs from after so many days, baby birds will come out, and baby birds cannot fly directly. So that's why they build their nest. Okay. Next one you will see. They feed the young ones and protect them from enemies. Birds feed their young ones and protect them from enemies. They feed their young ones and protect them from enemies. Let's learn more about the life cycle of a hen. Okay. Here in this life cycle, what you will see here. What is the first step? Hen. Hen will lay eggs. Parent animal is hen here, right? So hen will lay eggs. After laying eggs, what hen will do? That hen will sit on the eggs to keep the eggs warm. That is known as incubation. After so many days, the eggshells break and chicks will come out from the eggshells. That process is known as hatching. Okay. After so many days, these young chicks again will grow into a hen. So this life cycle goes on. In our previous video, we already learned about incubation and hatching. Incubation is keeping the eggs. This habit of some animals to keep their eggs warm by sitting on them. Okay, the habit of animals to keep their eggs warm. If animal is not keeping their eggs warm, the person who is handling this, that person will keep the eggs in warm place in order to get the babies from the eggs. Okay, that process is known as incubation. After so many days, the eggs breaks and a baby come out. This is called hatching. Okay, we will see the life cycle of a hen. What is the first step? The mother hen lay eggs, right? The mother hen lay eggs. Then what the mother hen will do? She sits on the eggs to incubate them, to keep them warm, right? She sits on the egg to incubate them, to keep them warm. She sits on the egg to incubate them. The embryo inside the egg. I already explained you, right? So this is the egg we are having. This outer covering is known as shell. We are having one white jelly-like substance. What do you call that jelly-like substance? We already learned albumin. It is rich in protein. And inside the egg, we are having one yellow color circle type. It is called yolk. What do you call that one? Yolk. And from the yolk, we will get vitamins, fats, and minerals. Okay, yolk is a food for growing baby, or we can say embryo. So when this yolk is a food for growing baby or the embryo goes through. Yolk is a food for growing baby or embryo. Okay, yolk is a food for growing baby or embryo. Embryo will go under different stages of development. After that, chicks will come out from the egg. Okay. The embryo inside the egg develops into a chick. The embryo inside the egg develops into a chick. Inside the egg develops into a chick. Okay. The embryo inside the egg develops into a chick. The chick breaks the eggshell to come out. What will happen then? Embryo, I already told, yolk is a food for growing baby or embryo. Okay, the embryo inside the egg develops into a chick. When chicks break the eggshells and come out, that process is known as hatching, right? So we will write that sentence. The cheek breaks the eggshells. The cheek breaks the eggshells to come out. This process is known as hatching. Is known as hatching. Okay. Next, the young chick grows into an adult hen. What will happen? These cheeks will again grow into an adult hen. So this life cycle will goes on. The young chicks grows into a adult hen. Okay. We will see once we will recapitulate what we learned. Before that, see here once again I will show you this life cycle. This is a hen, this is a cock, right? The hen lay eggs. Hen will give eggs. After giving eggs, what hen will do? Hen will sit on the eggs, okay, to keep the eggs warm. Egg को जब आप गरम उसमें रहेंगे, at that time only babies will come out from the egg. That is, a chick will come out from the egg. If you are keeping the egg in some cold place in refrigerator, this chicks will not come out from the egg. Okay, that's why the hen will sit on the egg to keep them warm. That process is known as incubation. After so many days, after some days, what will happen? The eggshells breaks. Eggshell जो ऊपर की hard covering रहेंगी, वो break हो जाएंगी. From that, the chicks will come out. What will happen? Chicks will come out. When chicks will come out, this chicks will grow into an adult. It will again grow into a hen. It will again lay eggs. This is a life cycle of an hen. It will goes on. Okay, it will goes on. Let's see what I wrote. The mother hen lay eggs. That's the first step. She sits on the egg to incubate them, to keep them warm. The embryo inside the egg develops into a chick. The yolk is a food for growing baby or embryo, right? So embryo is inside the egg. Inside the egg, we are having embryo. It will develops into a chick. The chick breaks the eggshell, come out. The chick breaks the eggshell to come out. ये chicks क्या करते हैं? Eggshell को break कर देते हैं बाहर आने के लिए. So this process is known as hatching. The young chicks grow into a adult hen. Okay. All birds lay eggs. They build a nest to keep the baby birds safe, as baby birds cannot fly. Birds feed their young ones and protect them from enemies. They feed their young ones and protect them from enemies. What is the first step in life cycle of a hen? The mother hen lay eggs. After that, she will sit on the eggs to incubate them, to keep them warm. The embryo inside the egg develops into a chick. After some days, what will happen? The chick breaks the shell and come out. This process is known as hatching. And these young chicks grow into an adult hen and will again lay eggs. So this life cycle of a hen will goes on. I hope you all understood this one. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.